Do you hear that sound? That is the sound of the button clicks. The button clicks give you feedback that a button has been selected. Let's take a look at how you can turn the button click on or off depending on your preference. From the app, select Menu. And then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. And in the navigation area, the second section down, find the button clicks sound and slide it. Right now it's on, so slide it off or on, off or on. The green color indicates the button click is on. The no color indicates the button click is off. Once you choose your preference, select Done. And now, as you can see, there are no button clicks. If you want to choose the button, turn the button clicks back on, back to Menu, choose Settings, button click sound, select On, and Done. And now your button click sound is back on.